Hello and welcome back to this PostgreSQL video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial, we will learn about percentile count function in PostgreSQL. The percentile count function is an aggregate function in PostgreSQL. So what is a percentile count function in PostgreSQL? It is used to calculate the value that correspond to a specified percentile within a sorted set of values. This function is particularly useful for statistical analysis and is commonly used in scenarios where you want to find the values that represent a specific percentile of a data set. The syntax for percentile count is as follows. First we write the percentile count, then after parentheses, within parentheses, provide the percentile. This is the target percentile you want to calculate and expressed as a decimal between 0 and 1. For example, to find the median, you would use 0.5 as a percentile. Then type keyword within a group and after that specify parentheses. Within parentheses, specify order by clause, then specify the expression. Here the expression is the column or the expression that you want to calculate the percentile for. For example, here we will use the math scores table, which contains 3 columns: student ID, class name, and score. Class name represents the class A and class B. It contains the student score in the score columns. You can see here. Now suppose you want to find the 25th percentile for each class within a table named math score. And for that, write a query, select, then specify the column name, class name, then specify the function percentile count. Then within a function, we want to calculate a 25th percentile for each class within a table math score. So write here 0.25. Then after that, specify within, then group by. After that, specify the parentheses, then within parentheses, order by. Then specify the expression. So here expression is the column and the column is the score. So type here score. Then give alias's name. So here I'm not going to provide any alias's name. Directly write here from table, and table is a math scores. So type here math scores. After that, group the result by the column class name. Then select the query, execute it. Now as you can see in the output, the percentile, the 25th percentile for the class A is a 79.75 and for the class B is a 82. So this is how you can use a percentile for each class using the percentile count function in PostgreSQL. Let's understand this code. So here percentile count 0.25 is used to calculate the 25th percentile. The argument 0.25 is the desired percentile, in this case the 25th percentile. It specifies that you want to find the score value at which 25% of the data falls below that value. Then after within group by, order by score. This part is essential for percentile count to work correctly. It indicates that calculations should be performed within the groups defined by class name. Additionally, it specifies that the ordering of the data should be based on the score column that you see here. So the percentile are calculated within each class and the scores are sorted for each class. Then after that, group by class name. This means the data is a group by the class name column and the result will be provided one row per unique class that you can see in the output. And the percentile function will be applied within each group. So you can see that the data is a group by class name and then percentile function is applied on each group, and you see here in the result. So in our math score table we have two classes, class A and class B, and the percentile is applied on class A and class B separately. You can also calculate the 75th percentile, and for that you need to only write here 0.75 and then select this query, execute this. Now you can see that the percentile for class A is a 89.5 and for B it is 8, 9. This is how you can use the percentile count function in PostgreSQL to find the percentile for the values.